Hi YouTube, this is Kieran. This is the first time you've saw me in my videos probably. I'm doing this video for a setup of the Gioteck headset, the EX-05s. Another thing about this video is I've finally got my easy cap. I still need some parts for it, but I have got one double-ended AV cable. I need 3 female adapters and 1 more AV cable, and then I can do the video. So just gonna set that down. So now on to the video, but if it's a bit kind of rumbly, it's because I'm holding my laptop. So I'm just going to show you how to set it up. So this is all the parts for the headset, and just a bit of here. So that's all the parts. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this wire that connects to the headset. It should look like this, with a long attacher and a small attacher. So from the headset you get, from the main wire, the actual bit that says Gioteck, and as you can see, it's you put it big to small, and you put it big to big and small to small. Sorry about that. So basically what you just do is plug that in as tight as you can, and make sure that the voice is off when you're doing this. So when this is on, when you're doing this, make sure that it isn't to this side. You push it to off. As you see, that's off here. Right, so just leave that out of the way for a minute, and what we're going to do now is I'm just going to set the laptop back on the desk, and you see the wires. Then you're going to get this big main wire, and a bit similar to Turtle Beach is this. You grab your wire. What you get is you get these 2 wires. So what you do is you get the red Xbox wire and plug it into the back of this, so it looks like that. And then you get the white, the exact same. So what you end up like is like this. Okay, so once you've done that, you just basically plug it into the back of your television, where I've got it here. And so you can get the white, then the red, and the yellow. So it's basically just like this. Okay, and take you back over here now. And what you do is you get this wire, double-ended connector, and what you do is there is a little hole here. You take this end, well, it doesn't matter what end, but because they're the exact same, I'm just going to take this end and I'm going to plug it in here. So you're going to get this bit like so. Then you take the other end, get your Xbox controller and plug it in here. So that's basically you for the moment. Just go set the Xbox controller back up here. Then, as you can see, you can get camouflage on it. The mic is Superflex made of. It picks up quite a lot. So you probably see like swings down. I'm just going to go over now with the stuff and over to my Xbox. So far we've got the wires on, but also onto the main wire you've got this little USB wire. So what you do is either you can put it at the back or this bit here, and yeah, I've already got my what do you call it, my chargeable battery pack thing on the black controller. So what you do is you just plug it in there tight as you can. Then what we're going to do now is once you've done all this, it's kind of easy from here, because all you need to do is just get it. What I do now is I've got it in quite a bit of a twist. I'll just turn the tail on. I'm going to be starting a Minecraft server soon, so if any of you want to be part of that, just ask me. Right, so now just aim in the tail, and what you do is you go along to preferences and voice. Then I have lit both up. Just surprisingly, my mum plays Black Ops. I will be putting some videos of that up soon. So what I do is then I've got it at voice 10, so I can hear my friends at the same time as playing my game. Then you click play through both. So or you can just play through headset. But if you play through both, that means like the people as well can hear you. I just get it play through headset though. So when you do that, you should be able to like get on, and hopefully next time I put a video up will be with this. I just need to get the other wires, but apart from that, I might be doing some question and answer. So if you want to like put down any of your questions on the comments of any of my videos, I'll take them into account and put them in the next video. I'll answer them as truthfully as I can, but some I can't. I'm going to be doing this at the end of the video, like a review or something, and there's a Minecraft app that I got the other day, called Minecraft Explorer Pro. Just going to go into it. It's quite good because you can make your own skins. So you go to Tools, Skin Studio, and if you've ever played Minecraft and you like Syndicate, big name on YouTube for Minecraft, I've got, as you can see, it says Sin HD. That's his kind of like skin on Minecraft. Just go to a preview of it, share what it's like on actual Minecraft. Quite smart. My one is the Yeti, but that's a good app if you're into Minecraft. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. So hopefully you can add me. As you see, I've changed my name to Sambo1888 because that's what my friends call me at school. I'll be doing some videos on Minecraft soon, so just put up any videos of the games you would like me to do, like walkthroughs of, like the main games I'll be doing now after I've like got all the games are Skyrim, GTA IV, maybe Saints Row. I'll be doing some FIFA videos. Obviously I'll do my mum playing Black Ops, MW3, some MW2, maybe Mortal Kombat online gameplay. I might do a Road to Glory on FIFA 12 because I might be starting a new Ultimate Team. If I do that, I'll be doing it with the laptop or EasyCap. I'll be trying to do that as soon as I can for you. So I'll be doing an EasyCap 2.0 setup soon. So I got it today and I'm quite excited about it. So I hope you guys are excited about it as I am. So I'll see you later. I hope you enjoyed the setup video, and if you want me to do anything else, if you're like stuck on anything on any of the games I mentioned, just put it out there and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so this is Keelan and I'm signing off. Kidding on, that's just gay. Right, see you in the next video.